Sorry about this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a few more. And if you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. I'm back. This is my second video of today. I literally took a nap because if you saw my other video from today, you know that the vaccine has not made me feel so good. I literally took a nap, and then one of my wonderful subscribers commented on that video and said that she got her deluxe and 420 box. Hello. So we're gonna be sharing those spoilers, and one of Connor's subscribers also sent her spoilers for her deluxe box, and they are different. So we have some variations for the 420 premium box and two variations for the deluxe box, and I'm excited. Just in case this is your first video of mine that you're seeing in general or related to these boxes, I'm doing two giveaways which will be formally announced in my unboxing video. I have two boxes on their way to me. So part of the giveaway will be to like this video and comment a blue heart emoji down below. So go ahead and do that now, and then subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload that unboxing video. The two giveaway winners will get, one will get the Lizzie McGuire and ColourPop collection, which should be here tomorrow, and then whatever I curate from the giveaway boxes. So I think that's all I really gotta say. Make sure you go follow my friend Connor as well. She's also doing giveaways, so if you want to enter those, and let's just get into it. I thought taking my hair down would make me look a little bit more human. It doesn't. This is as good as it's getting today, okay? I'm sorry. At least for this video, I put on a Jeffree Star lip gloss. Okay, so let's get into it. Thank you so much, Kayla, for sending me these spoilers. They're so sweet of you. I appreciate it so much. Let's get into it. Okay, so for her 420 box, it's pretty similar, but we do have a different lip shade in here. So she got the tie-dye hat with the like leaf print, which actually her picture looks so much better. Her picture looks so much better. I actually like how this hat looks. Maybe the other picture just didn't do it like too much justice, but I do like the hat. We have the Blood Money palette, of course, the green pop socket. She did get a grinder. She said she got it in the light pink color, so I don't know if there's going to be other colors for that. I would think that he would have put an assortment of colors in there, but that's nice. And then we have the lip balm, of course, and then her gloss shade is sickening, so I'll put a picture up of that up here. So that was like the only variation so far, but it's just nice to see that we are going to see different variations in these boxes, whether it's a different lip color here or there. Maybe we'll get new grinder colors, which again doesn't matter to me, but I think that'd be cool for you guys, for people who like to do that, you know. I think that'd be awesome. So thank you so much, Kayla, for sending that in. And now let's get into what Kayla got for her deluxe box. I am so hyped for this. So the deluxe box is the yellow box. She got a t-shirt which looks cool. It's like a Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It looks very kind of like 90s cartoon vibes. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It has stars on it, and it's got like, obviously you can see it for the photo, but I think it's cool. It's black, which I like. We always love black shirts because you can wear them with anything, right? They're not anything like too crazy. Anyone who likes neutrals can wear them. Then we have a lip vault, which I'll get into in a minute. The other things we have is the Jawbreaker palette, which is definitely exciting. Not the Thirsty palette, which is what we thought, unless there is a variation. We don't know yet. So we have the Jawbreaker palette. We have some enamel pins, which I think are kind of cool. Honestly, like for the two merch items to be a t-shirt and pins, I think that's great. You don't get a pop socket in the deluxe one, which I think is good because it's more of like a higher price tag item. I think a pop socket would have been kind of a ripoff. So the lip shades in her deluxe box is the Gloss and Pretzel Drip, which is a beautiful neutral, like bronzy lip gloss, which is great. The Velour Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord, which is a fan favorite. And the lip balm again in Diet Shane. So I don't know if we're going to be getting any like velour Velvet Trap lipsticks. It seems like he's done a lot of these lip balms, which is kind of like, but whatever, that's okay. So those are the three lip products. Then we also have, which I think these are probably the more exciting items, you get one of his new eyeliners, which was released not too long ago at all. So she got the shade Assets, which is like a nice green color. I think that's beautiful. Definitely an exciting item to get if you didn't pick up any of his like liners before, to try them out. And then I'll put up a picture here of what the vault looks like. So there's definitely some green shades in here, but there's also some nudes and some browns, which I think is really, really cool. Now again, if you do get this and you're not like a fan of the lip colors, these are eye safe, so you can use them as like eyeliner, eye bases if you want to. So that's just something to note, that if you don't want them as like a lip color, you can use them they're, you know, eye and lip safe. So that's pretty cool. I like that it's not like straight up just a whole bunch of greens. There's some browns and neutrals in here, which I think is really, really cool. And that also, those lips will go so well with her for 20 bucks with the Blood Money palette. So I think that's awesome that she got both. Like, it seems like both boxes are working really, really well with each other. So then what else is exciting in these boxes is she got 3 single shadows from the Cremated palette. They're in the shades Solemnly Swear, Inheritance, and Mortuary Beautician. So I think that's really interesting to be getting single shadows. Does that mean that the Cremated palette is going to be discontinued? Like, I wonder. I don't know. Is he going to be releasing more single shadows in the future? Like, hint, hint. I don't know. I think that's cool. Now let's jump into what Connor sent me. So she got another variation. So for hers, it's the same t-shirt, looks like the same pins and the Jawbreaker palette, and probably the same eyeliner and the Diet Shane lip balm. And then she also got the Drug Lord lip gloss and I think Pretzel Drip gloss as well. It looks like the exact same box except for the lip vault is different. If I can get a picture of the lip vault, I'll put that in here as well while I'm editing. If I can't, you know, if I don't see it right now, but maybe I'll get it while I'm editing. It's a purple lip vault, so I wonder what's in there. So far, I have to say, I'm definitely impressed with these boxes. I think that they're on theme. There's nothing that's like super disappointing in any of them. I think there's so far a really good variety of products. I mean, think about that in the Deluxe. You're getting so many different kinds of formulas. You're getting an eyeshadow palette, you're getting the lip balm, the lipstick, the lip gloss. You're getting single shadows, which you didn't have before, which the only downside to that is if you don't have a magnetic palette to put them into, that might be like, what the heck? I mean, they do come in their little packaging. So single shadows are obnoxious to store unless you have like a little palette like that. So it'd been cool if he did like a little palette to put it in. I think that would have been so cool. Just like a quad or something, like a little tiny, I think that would have been sick. Jeffree, if you're watching, I know he's not watching. He does not know who I am at all because I'm a nobody, but anyway. But I think that would have been really cool. I like the vaults, like the value of these boxes, the amount of products that you're getting is pretty insane. Okay, this literally just in, another beautiful subscriber of mine. I'm gonna put her name up in a second because I have the picture up right now. Just sent me a spoiler from Reddit. It's the purple vault, the Jawbreaker, everything we just talked about, but then it looks like there's Tabletop Velour Liquid Lip, and I can't see the name of the lip gloss, I'm not sure, but it looks like it's like a purple or not a purple, like a bluish green tint. I can't quite see. The picture's a little blurry. These are also different single shadows. We have RIP, Death Certificate, and another one that I can't read. But so that's cool. So we're seeing like way more variations than we even thought. Oh my God, this is so exciting. This person's Instagram account doesn't have a name, but thank you, XYD42. She always sends, sorry, I shouldn't assume, but like, they always send me spoilers if I don't have them already, so thank you so much. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I know I put a lot of random information. I was literally like getting more information as I was filming, but I hope that you guys like this video. Please, like I said, stay tuned for more spoilers. We need to know what's in the Supreme. We need to know. If anyone gets their Supreme, please DM me what you got. It would mean a lot to me, and that way I can share it to you guys like ASAP. So I'm excited. What do you guys think so far of what has been in these boxes and all of the different little variations? I think it's wicked nice when there's all these different variations. I think it makes it just a little bit more exciting because then it's like, maybe you'll get this, but maybe you'll even get something better than what you thought. So I don't know. All right. My energy level is dropping again, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the video here, edit and upload for you guys, and I hope I see you in my next one. Maybe it'll be even later tonight. Who freaking knows? Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.